Hi and welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. I'm going to exit now and let's take care of those buttons. But before we can start, we need to write some functions, or maybe just one function. Okay, that's just like a comment there. We just call that function and line across. Alright, the next thing I'd like to do now is let's add my function here. Alright, okay, so that's the button, and right here underneath here I'm going to call my function. Let me just call it add. There, that's my function there, and I'm going to then use an if statement. If value dot get equals 1, then I'm going to declare a local variable, then f equals float first number dot get parenthesis, and let's close that up. Now I'm going to float the second number, and the second number will be s, and change this one to second number. Right. Okay, we're creating another variable, so this time around that's going to be r. R will represent, let's say, something like result. So f plus s equals that, and let's say result itself dot set equals r. There, that's the very first function. But you see this result, we need to be able to call that. So let's come to my right here. I already have first number there for the text box. Okay, that's the result, so that should become result release, now first number. Remember, I copied it and I did not change that. So the variable that will be taken in will be first number. And look at this one, second number, that's going to be the variable for this very one, will be second number. Result, second number, and this one is first number. Right, that's fine. Okay. Well, I'm not going to need total, I'm just going to use results, get rid of total. So those are the 4 variables I intend to use. Okay, now let's come right down here where we're taking care of our function. So the next one is I'm going to use else if. I might as well just copy this, press enter, and that's else if. If it's 2, if the value is 2, then this will become subtraction. Right, sub, let's copy, and this next one, that is that, and that will be multiplication. Okay, now let's say that's division. Right. Okay, the next one, that is going to be the modulus. So I'll just change this to that. Now followed by exponential times, and finally think that's called floor division, so that is going to be there. Double, bring that up. Right now, supposing we have the numbers, we need to change the numbers really. This is 1, 2, and this one will be 3. The value there is 3, this is 4, and we have 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 here, and instead of, okay, let's just use else here. Let's just end it with else, and I'm going to get rid of this. Okay, that's number 7. Right, yeah, it will work the same way. That's number 7 there. Okay, if I run it now, let's run it and see how it's going to look like. Save. That's supposed to be a column. Okay, let's try it again one more time. Okay, we have an error somewhere. Second number lowercase. So second number, I have it as lowercase, some uppercase somewhere here, right there. That should have been lowercase. Let's give that a try again. Alright, let's say we select that and enter whatever value in there. Okay, it's now working because I haven't called. I need to call that very function. Scroll right down. The function is called add. Okay, I have to call that in here. So let's come right in here. Let's say command equals add there. Let's run it now one more time. Enter whatever there. Okay, it's working, but it's wrong answer. Let's we need to select something. Yeah, that's fine, and next. Right, that is fine. Okay. Alright, it's working as we expect. There. That is fine, guys. Now let's take care of the reset button. In the case of the reset button, I'm just going to, let's say, call that reset. Right, then that will be first number and second number and the result. So I can copy all of these and just change things around, paste it there, get rid of all of these, and this, maybe these has to go, these go as well. Alright, that's fine, and these become S here. There, the first one is taken care of. Take care of the other one. Paste, and finally this one there. So that is my reset button taken care of. Okay, I've also taken care of the exit. I just had to speed that up. So here I'm going to add the commands. Let's add as follows. The first command, this is for reset, so, and that's the name of it right there. Copy that, paste that there, reset, enter a comma there, and this one is known as I exit. The command here, I exit. So I'm going to copy all of this, paste it right there. So, and there we go. So that is the exit and reset, and I've also called them within each buttons right there. Okay, so let me just take it up and you guys can have a good look at the codes. Bring it down a little bit. These are the widget, the radio buttons, functions. I've carried out the various calculation, and reset, exit, and the buttons. Then we have this is how I actually end the program. So I'm gonna run it now and you guys see how it looks like. So let's enter a value here. Select addition, select subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and there. So guys, with that I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.